Hey guys, it's D-Money Bala. I'm really excited. I finally got a 30 series RTX. I got an RTX 3070. I got this from Newegg with the product shuffle, and I had to keep trying, but eventually I did get this for around $800 after tax and shipping. So we're going to be unboxing it and looking at it. Oh, very animalistic. And there she is. The beauty. Wow. There she is. Got a lot of plastic in here, so we're just gonna take this off. And then we've got these guys. Flute. Yeah, real good looking GPU. The back. Yeah, pretty cool. So here you can see what the GPU looks like mounted into a computer, just in the PCIe slot. The backplate looks good, the front looks amazing. I would vertically mount this if I wanted to really get that RGB look on it, which looks really good. Yeah. Guys, just make sure that you keep looking on Newegg's product shuffle. It's probably the easiest way to get new graphics cards without staying up till like 3 a.m. till somebody else gets new stock and then you have to rush over there. It's pretty easy to do this. It doesn't take a lot of time. So thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, subscribe.